Hi.
Smile at them. It lets them know you're their friend. You're Big Mike, right? I'm Sean.
What is he wearing? It's freezing. What's his name again?
Big Mike.
Do you have any place to stay tonight? Don't you dare lie to me. Come on.
Mine?
Yes, sir.
Never had one before.
What, a room to yourself?
A bed.
Hey, you're changing that boy's life. No, he's changing mine.
We'd like to become your legal guardians. What's that mean?
We want to know if you would like to become part of this family.
Kinda thought I already was.